Hi, I'm Trisha Braun, and we will be talking about the socialization of Friends and how they influenced American culture. We are all guilty of watching reruns of our favorite TV shows over and over again. The TV sitcom show, Friends, aired in 1994 and ended in 2004 and is still beloved by many people today. Each character possessed relatable personality traits that resonated well with the public, which highly influenced the American culture. Socialization is the adoption of the behavioral patterns and social norms of the surrounding culture, and the socialization of Friends has significantly impacted our culture through linguistics, fashion, and sexual proclivities. Media is known to influence how we speak, and Friends has played a big part of our language structure. Friends popularized intensifiers, adverbs that boost or maximize meaning. Mainstream examples of intensifiers are really, very, and so. Despite the characters' varying personality traits, they all developed similar linguistic patterns. The following video demonstrates the characters' mutual use of intensifiers in their everyday conversations.
You're so pretty.
Hey.
So not true.
I'm very bendy.
I'm so glad we're having this rehearsal dinner, you know? I so rarely get to practice my meals before I eat them.
What's going on?
Well, Joey's got a really bad hernia, but it's not...
I'm very happy we're gonna have...
Oh, and the people are so nice.
It's very, very nice.
These examples show several of the many ways intensifiers were used throughout the 10 seasons of Friends. The hypodermic needle or magic bullet model is when powerful media adversely affects weak audiences with believed and consumed content. This model can be applied to Friends due to the viewers either consciously or subconsciously consuming the linguistics of how each character spoke. Viewers made personal connections to these 6 lovable characters, leading to the audience wanting to be like them. The high consumption of the widely watched show easily persuaded people to match the characters' personality traits and speaking styles. Therefore, the adoption and common use of intensifiers are used very often in our everyday linguistics. Not only did this beloved sitcom socialize our linguistics, but it also influenced American fashion choices. Friends also helped popularize androgynous clothing styles in the 1990s and early 2000s. Many people adopted this grunge style, influencing denim and plaid to be worn either on their top or bottom half, making it high up on the fashion trend. The cast of Friends, especially Rachel, wore denim and plaid so often that they were the forefront of normcore fashion. Measuring people's behaviors and thinking processes with social psychology studies, the characters became role models for many individuals. This influenced viewers to follow these fashion choices. More than 20 years later, many people are still fashionably wearing denim and plaid, proving Friends' socialization on clothing trends. Speech and clothing have been majorly influenced by Friends, but the sexual proclivities presented throughout the show has changed how our society views sex. In a 2008 study published in the American Journal of Pediatrics, Friends was known for glamorizing sex, and it rarely mentioned the fears of pregnancy and sexually transmitted diseases. The majority of the episodes revolved around either dating or sex. The show normalized sex, where being sexually active does not always have to correlate with the obligation of settling down or being committed in a relationship. People retained messages like this, confirming values and attitudes, engaging in an idea called selective exposure. Further examples like this are the apps Tinder and Grindr, and TV shows like New Girl and How I Met Your Mother reinforce the idea that sex does not always have to be serious. People's behaviors and attitudes are being reinforced through these different media platforms, socializing casual sex as being more common and acceptable in today's society. Friends may have aired for 10 years, but its socialization will continue to impact American culture for many more decades to come. Thanks for listening!